Hi, my name is Oliver and welcome to our CANDOCK channel. In this video, we're going to assemble modular handrail. They are 3 sizes available, 4, 8, and 12 feet long, which is the same size as our modular gangway. For other modular product, please check the description below. I've put some links for other videos. So without further ado, let's get it done. Okay, so as you can see, the modular handrail comes already packaged in a box like this one. It's the same box that the gangway came in. So now let's open it up. And as we all know, aluminum is really easy to scratch. So it's all wrapped with care here. The hardware in a separate bag. This is a 12-foot long, so you're gonna have 4 posts like this one. This is gonna go vertically, and it's going to attach into the track of the gangway here. If you have an 8-foot, you only gonna have 3 posts, and if you have a 4-foot, it's gonna be only 2 posts. And you got 2 end cap that will go at the end of the handrail, and in the back here we have the handrail itself. Okay, so now first thing I'm going to do is open the hardware bag, and we're going to install 2 posts at the extreme end so we can fix the first handrail. And we're going to do that by taking 4 brass nuts and putting them in the notch right in the middle, 2 on the left, and 2 on the right. And we're going to bring them approximately a foot from the end. Okay, we are now going to take 2 bolts with 2 lock washers, and we're going to put 1 post. Don't tighten anything yet, just by hand. And we'll do the second one. We're going to take those 2 bolts like that. And we're going to take a long post, a handrail, sorry, and we're going to attach it so we'll have our measurement. Next step, we want to make sure that the handrail is center. So I'm going to measure from here. So I've measured both ends. I know the handrail is going to be center. So let's go ahead and add the 2 more posts in the center. Okay, so we can go ahead and put the second handrail on the top. So as you can see now, everything is still loose. Nothing is tightened yet. We're going to put the end of the handrail here. As you can see, there's 2 push buttons, and there are holes there. Just going to fit and press the little button, and it will fit right in. And we'll do the other part. Now it's the last part. We need to tighten all the bolts. We need 2 Allen keys for that. The 3/16 for the flat head holding the handrail here, and a 5/16 for the round head holding the post. Everything's all tightened up. So this is our CANDOCK handrail for a modular gangway. Hopefully this video was helpful to you. Thanks for watching.